Hey you guys, so we are going to jump right into this one. I am taking that No More Baggage by Dr. Brandt and just putting it on my under eye. It's supposed to help out with puffiness and just help correct any dark spots that you have. I'm also going to take this new concealer by Too Faced, this Born This Way concealer, and use it as an eye primer. I will have all the products that I use linked down below, so make sure you check the description box if you're interested in any of the products that I'm using. So I'm also going to use these new ColourPop palettes, the Mar and Sol palettes. I absolutely love these palettes. The pigmentation is crazy and they're just such great makeup palettes and they're super affordable. So here I'm taking the Sol palette and I'm going to take this orangey shade, orangey brown, and use it as a transition color in my crease. And sorry if you guys hear yelling, my kids. Y'all know the deal already, okay? So ever since I got these palettes, I've been dying to use these green shades. They just are so rich and just such pretty like sea foam green shades. So that's what we're going to do today, like a green bronzy look here. And I just think it came out so beautiful. The key to using really bold shades like this is to really blend. Like you honestly have to blend. I cut this video down so it wouldn't be too long, but blending is key. I blended that green shade into my crease for a while before I put this lid shade on, and it's not to say that the colors don't blend well, but you just want to make sure they have a great fading blended effect before you add anything on top, or else your look will just look really choppy and harsh. So that's like the best tip that I can give you when using bold shades like this. So moving on to eyeliner, I'm taking this Eyeko eyeliner and also these Icon lashes in Taylor. Absolutely love these lashes. I've been obsessed with them. I have a 30% off coupon code down in the description box, so check them out. I'm totally recommending them. This is also another one of my favorite products. This primer, the Tatcha Silk Canvas Primer, doesn't keep me the most matte, but my skin just looks so beautiful with it on. So I definitely love it. I'm also trying a new technique today, so I am using this Tartiest Pro Glow Highlighter, I think it's called. It'll be linked down below. And I'm just going to add this to my skin before I add my foundation, and it's going to give me a nice glowy effect. Now, I wouldn't recommend doing this for someone with oily skin if you have a very long day. However, if you just need your makeup on for a couple of hours, I think this is so beautiful. Just such a great technique because your skin just looks like it's glowing from within. Something else that I wanted to point out that I've been doing differently lately is actually using a brush for my foundation. This Tarte brush is absolutely beautiful, and then I'll go over it with a beauty blender, just a couple of pats to make sure everything just kind of sinks into the skin and looks beautiful. So that's just another trick technique that I've been doing a little differently lately. And if you guys want me to go in depth with a full foundation routine, I can totally do that, so just let me know down below. And I've also been cream contouring. That's been another favorite of mine. I've been doing a lot of things differently, y'all, getting a little dangerous, a little daring with my makeup and just doing stuff different. I'm sick of doing the same old thing. I want to try new techniques and show you guys new techniques, so I've been loving this. This was a bit dark than what I would recommend for someone my skin tone, but you just have to blend it in very well and make the shit work. So that's what I did. every time I go back to this Bobbi Brown highlighter, this shimmer brick, I think this is Bronze Goddess, or I'll have it down below in the description box. I forget how beautiful it is, but just look how my skin glows. And it's not an overpowering glow, but just a very, very pretty one. So I love this stuff right here. But yeah, you guys, this is really it. This is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and the tips and tricks in it were helpful for you. If you have not already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, like this video, and also follow me on my social media, my Instagram, my Snapchat, and also my Facebook fan page. I tried to do a different look for you guys, so again, hopefully you enjoy it. I love you guys so, so much. Thank you so much for watching and supporting my channel, and I'll talk to you in the next video. Bye, guys.